Hello everyone and welcome to our Instagram live event. The topic for today is 2022 Decentralized Web Project. What did we achieve? But before starting, I like to do a little introduction. My name is Paul Arsov and I'm the founder of the Decentralized Web project. We're building a decentralized communication and advertising platform. Today is December 25th. In some countries, in mostly the Western world, it's a holiday. So I like to congratulate people with happy holidays. Today it's Christmas and New Year's is coming next week as well. Once again, happy holidays. I realize that in some countries it is not celebrated. So still, welcome to our event. Once again, I would like to mention that we are building a decentralized communication and advertising platform, and I like to say also that our project is very different than most of the other crypto projects. So I can divide the crypto projects in 4 categories, there's the category of NFT projects, there's the category of decentralized finance projects, there's the category of new types of blockchains, and then there's the category of meme coins. What we have is very different than most of the other crypto projects. The common understanding currently by investors, by marketers and ordinary people who are familiar with crypto is that the next generation of internet, Web 3 or Web 5, it is going to be about blockchains. I believe that blockchain technology is very cumbersome. We're organizing educational events like this on Twitter Space and Instagram Live. And our very first event, which started 2.5 months ago, was on the topic of what is a blockchain. Basically, on this event, I did talk in details of the disadvantages of blockchain technology and what makes it not suitable to be a driver of decentralization. In addition to the very first event, I like to mention our very last event, which happened actually last Saturday and Sunday, and it was on the topic of decentralization engines, blockchains as a decentralization engine, and other decentralization implementations. So in our very last event last week, I did talk in details as well what makes blockchain technology not suitable to be the driver of decentralization. Success of a project depends on marketing, and we have been posting on multiple social networks. The list of social networks includes Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, Telegram, TikTok, LinkedIn, Pinterest, Reddit, and Discord. So this is a very long list of social networks that we are posting, and usually on Sundays like today we're preparing a list of posts that we're going to post during the upcoming week, and then this list list of posts is scheduled and posted automatically. In the list of posts, we are including like repeats of like replies of events, just like this event today on Instagram Live. And so like we have an educational event which happens on Saturdays every week, and it is on the same topic, like Saturday on Twitter Space and Sunday on Instagram Live, talking about the same topic weekly. In addition to these events on Saturdays and Sundays, we have Ask Me Anything events and like demo day events, which are happening on Thursdays. And they happen every 2 weeks. Like 1 week we have Ask Me Anything event, and then the next Thursday we have the demo day event. These events, Ask Me Anything and Demo Days, they happen simultaneously on Telegram. Like people can come on the Telegram channel, our special Telegram channel called Decentralized-Web3. And so like people who come to the Telegram channel, then we're posting a link to Google Meet event. And as we know, Google Meet allows video and audio group meetings. And in addition to Telegram and Google Meet, we start also broadcasting the either Ask Me Anything or Demo Day event on like Twitter Space event, on Twitter Space as well. And like after joining, like people coming to Telegram channel, they can post their questions if this is Ask Me Anything session, or they can view the presentation on Google Meet or listen to the presentation on Twitter Space. In the end of the presentation, there's a recording which is kept on Twitter Space, and so as I mentioned, we're preparing a list of like posts, and usually on Sundays, and these posts they're posted during the week automatically, like they're scheduled. In the schedule of posts, we are including, as I said, the replies of the events, educational events, which happen on like Ask Me Anything event on Thursday or Demo Day event on Thursday, like educational events on Saturday on Twitter Space, on Sunday on Instagram Live, and also we're preparing like a web page with invitation for the upcoming educational event, the talk for the week. So like the web page, which is announcing the upcoming educational talk, it includes the topic of the educational talk, and it includes also, in addition to this, recordings to all the previous talks. Like in 2.5 months, we did accumulate a long list of recordings, and I can mention like some of the topics which happened during these 2.5 months. I mentioned that the very first event was like on the topic of what is blockchain. The following event was on the topic of what is smart contract. Some of the following events were on the topic of like there was a topic of applying astrology into crypto trading, central bank digital currencies versus ordinary crypto battle is looming. Decentralized finance destined to implode. Web3 or Web5, different visions and implementations, and etc. etc. You can see the list of the past talks and the recordings which happened on both Twitter Space and Instagram Live. I like to mention the upcoming event which happens in next Saturday and Sunday. Saturday on Twitter Space, Sunday on Instagram Live, and the topic of upcoming event. As we know, it happens like Saturday, it's December 31st, and Sunday is January 1st. It's like end of the year, beginning of the new year. The topic of the event for Saturday and Sunday next week is 2022 in crypto. What happened? What were the significant events in 2022 in crypto? Like basically the year started in a bull market and it's ending in a bear market. And during the year we had the start of the war between Russia and Ukraine, and it did affect, it had a very significant effect on crypto. Crypto was considered as a safe haven, but the ordinary stock market went down, and then the crypto market went down as well. So we had like couple of very significant crashes, like billion-dollar crashes. So it includes the crash of Terra Luna, Celsius, and the recent crash of FTX. So during the year, we had also the significant event which did not get very noticed, but I believe it's significant with the announcement of a big country which has central bank digital currency, the announcement of China about working on adding smart contract capabilities on their central bank digital currencies. And during the year, we had the addition of one new blockchain called Aptos, and it was thought that it's going to be a big event, but it did not became a very big blockchain and very significant. But I'm going to talk about this in the next week. Let's come back to the topic of 2022 and our decentralized web project. What did we achieve during the year? in the end of 2021, we were working on adding a blog-like section to our website, and the blog-like section that we added in the first 1 to 2 weeks in 2022. It is pretty different than ordinary blog sections which are put into websites. Basically, our blog-like section, I can mention the link to the section, and actually when you go to our website called decentralizedweb.org, decentralized and web, they're all together, .org. When you go to the website, on the top, you can see actually a button called blog. People can click on this and they can enter the blog-like section. But you can enter it through typing decentralized web /x, and so this is going to go, this link is going to go to the web section as well, blog-like section, I mean. And I did mention that what we have as a blog-like section is very different than ordinary blog sections in websites. What we have is the very main page of the blog-like section. It includes three-dimensional text, which is animated, it keeps moving, and it's also interactive. You can use your scroll mouse button, and it's going to zoom in and out the moving three-dimensional text. But in addition to this, you can have interaction in a way that if you click with the left button with the mouse and then you move the mouse, you are going to move the whole animated text. And in addition to this, if you hit the refresh page of the main entrance in the blog section, you can see change in the text, it is on one of the pages you may have just one line, then you see a couple of lines of text, and then you would be having a couple of different choices of the arrangement of the text presented. So I mentioned this, that as I said, it's very different than ordinary blog sections in websites. And when you use the keyboard down arrow key, then you are going to see the list of posts which are placed in the blog section. Currently we have around 320 posts, and so this 320 posts are actually questions. The main page lists questions, and people who enter the section, they can click on a specific question, and then they can they're entering a new page with the question, then the answer, and in addition to this, like there is a new three-dimensional object which people can play with. So like what we have is like every question and every answer provides some education for the people coming to the blog like section, but there is also entertainment part with like the three-dimensional object which is below the question and answer, and like the entertainment is like people can play with this three-dimensional object which is included. And so like as I mentioned, we have about 320 questions and answers, and like every question and answer has three-dimensional object, and altogether we have around maybe 44 different three-dimensional objects. And this is a lot. Like people like they can see and they can play with lots of these three-dimensional objects, and actually they can view the questions and answers, and most of these questions answers they relate to crypto, blockchain technology, decentralization, Web3, central bank digital currencies, and etc. So I mentioned the main section of the blog like part of our website, and on the, like I mentioned, that we have 320 different questions and answers, but in the main page, like we have like 10 featured questions and answers, and then below these 10 featured questions and answers, we have the rest of around 310 questions and answers. And like I mentioned, that people can hit the refresh button, and what happens in the refresh after refreshing of this main entrance of blog-like section is like the featured questions and answers are refreshed with a new group of 10 other questions and answers, and the rest of the questions and answers, they're rearranged as well. Comparing this with the ordinary blog-like section, in the ordinary blog-like section we have posts organized in time manner. So like the most recent post is probably staying at the top, and like the previous posts they're coming next to the post on the very top. But in this way, like this type of ordinary blog-like sections, they favor the most recent content. In our way of presenting our blog-like section, we actually do not favor any of the questions and answers, and we give equal chance of question and answer getting into the featured section, or going like having a specific position in the rest of the questions and answers. But enough talking about our blog like section. Come and see it and like read the questions and answers. They're I believe non-traditional because like most of the times people involved in crypto they cheer the crypto market, they cheer blockchains, Web3, but the truth and reality is much more complex, and there is very risk in crypto, and like there are significant other issues, and like the questions and answers, they're talking honestly about crypto, blockchains, Web3, decentralization. As I said, comment, experience our blog like section. But continuing with like what did we achieve in 2022? Um, like I can mention a very significant thing in development. Basically, we were searching of a blockchain which we can be using as a support element for our project. Um, as most of the people who are coming to this talk know, um, like we have a decentralization software engine, and it is non-blockchain related, but like we were thinking of adding of a blockchain so that it can keep a record of the incentives which we have for um, people who join and become users, and like then they can send referrals, they can invite people, and they can get reward uh, for this, and they can view also digital advertising, and they get rewarded for this, and they can run network node or a bridge, and they get rewarded for this as well. Starting in 2017, in previous projects, we started evaluating different blockchains. And like our journey went through evaluating of Ethereum blockchain, then we did evaluate Avalanche blockchain. After this, we did evaluate Binance chain, and then Binance Smart Chain. People don't know, but like these are two different blockchains by Binance. Binance Chain is like ordinary non-smart contract capable blockchain which creates tokens and coins, and in addition to this they have Binance Smart Chain, which is Ethereum virtual machine compatible and running the same software as Ethereum mainnet. And like after evaluating Binance Chain and Binance Smart Chain, we did evaluate Polygon, and like from all this long list of blockchains, we couldn't find any suitable blockchain to be like added as a support element in our project. So finally, we did decide of having our own blockchain instance which runs the same Ethereum software which is running on Ethereum mainnet, on Binance Smart Chain, on Polygon, and some other blockchains as well. So basically we like running our own instance, and like we have some smart contracts deployed in our blockchain, and people who join our uh, decentralized web project and become users, they get tokens in our own blockchain instance, which is based on the same Ethereum software which runs on many other blockchains. So the difference between our blockchain instance and all of the other Ethereum virtual machine compatible blockchain instances in the network ID. The network ID for the Ethereum mainnet is number 1. The network ID for Binance Smart Chain, I believe, is 56. The network ID for Polygon chain is, I think, 132, and the network ID for our blockchain on blockchain instance is 124. So in addition to creating utility tokens, we plan to add additional smart contracts and probably issue security tokens and make security token offerings. But let's talk about a little one event which happened in 2022, and it's related with me going through an accelerator. I did join an accelerator called Hyper Accelerator, and it was in May of 2022. This accelerator is based in Toronto, and there was a group of around maybe 28 different projects and startup businesses which joined this cohort of accelerators. During this accelerator learning which happened between May, middle of May, and beginning of September, is we had remote sessions through video, and 1 week of the sessions was about education, and then the next week was a group peer review of what did we learn. We had also homeworks making videos with homework submission based on specific questions and specific topics. So I did accumulate maybe about 12 or 13 different videos with my homework submission, and these videos were actually shared on our YouTube channel. But in the end of this accelerator, we had to prepare a pitch deck, and actually I did prepare a pitch deck about our project, and so it's also available for investors to view this pitch deck. A value of attending an accelerator is in the network of investors, which a specific accelerator can do an introduction, and basically we when we finished like the accelerator in the beginning of September, we had like a pitch event, a live pitch event, and like we did pitch our projects in to maybe one or two different investors. And that was it provided by this accelerator that I did attend. In addition to this, like there was a list of like list of investors and venture capitalists, angels, which was compiled by the accelerator that I did attend, and like I did send this list was sent to all of our like people who participated in this accelerator, and like I got a list of about 50 different investors and venture capital businesses. I did send messages to all of them, but like I got replies maybe about 8 to 10 replies, and I did not get replies from most of the other investors. And like all of the replies, they were declines. People did decline investing in our projects. So far, our project is still bootstrapped. We're looking for investors, but we can keep continuing with development of the project, and we can keep continuing with the marketing of the project. So as I mentioned, success of a project depends on marketing, and starting I think June, July, we did contact marketers who we did engage, and like they started preparing posts and like posting regularly on our social channels. So at some point, I believe in September, end of August or September, we did announce that we are inviting ambassadors for our project, and lots of people started like replying to this invitation for ambassadors, and like they joined our ambassador, like our group of ambassadors. People kept coming, and we actually stopped. Like initially, we did offer a very small pay for the ambassadors for our project, and then we stopped offering pay because we have got a very large group of ambassadors, but we still offer people to become volunteers for our project. And currently, like at some point, we had about maybe 35, 36 marketers, ambassadors, and volunteers. And currently, we have a group of about 16 ambassadors, marketers, and volunteers who they're posting on our social networks. As I said, we have a very long list of social networks that we are posting on. The list includes Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, Telegram, TikTok, Pinterest, LinkedIn, Reddit, and Discord. All these channels, as I said, we're preparing a list of posts, and then we're scheduling the posting of this list of posts. We're aiming to build a community, and it's very important for every project which wants to take off, to have people who are actually using this what the project is offering. And so we're focusing on Telegram, and we have actually two Telegram groups. There's one large group which we're doing daily posting and engagement, but in addition to this, we have a small group which is specific for the special events, and ask me anything sessions, and also demo day events as well. So this is a special group which people who come to ask me anything events, they come to this group, and so they can write their questions, and then after the event, there's also a summary of the questions and summary of the answers, which are discussed during the session. And so we're coming to the close of 2022. We have non-stop development in our project, and we are currently testing and adding the people they can who became users for our project, who did download the software. And I like to mention that we have software for 4 different platforms. People can download software and become users on either one or more of Windows platform, Mac OS platform, Linux, or Android. Downloading and becoming a user of this, people have a graphical screen, and they can invite people, and they get rewarded for this as well. And let's say they have some connection, and they can request they can click on their one of the list of people they did invite, and then there's a video and audio request which is sent to the other person. The video and audio communication depends on the bridges which users can install on their home connection, but in the absence of bridges, people can just leave short messages of up to 30 seconds to the other party that they're calling. And so basically, if neither one or the other party they have a bridge installed, they're getting messages, video and audio messages exchanged between one and the other person. So, but that's a feature which we are going to demonstrate in the demo day events. This week we had Ask Me Anything event, and the upcoming week on Thursday we have a demo day event. Come and see what do we have in our project, and as I mentioned in other other meetings and other events, we have a lot to show compared with most of the other crypto projects. So I'm going to wrap up this event. I thank you for coming to this Instagram Live event. There is going to be a recording for this event. And for those of you who came a little later to this event, my name is Paul Arsoff. I'm the founder of the Decentralized Web project. We are building a decentralized communication and advertising platform. We are organizing regular educational events on Twitter Space on Saturdays and Instagram Live on Sundays. We're also organizing the Ask Me Anything events on Thursdays every 2 weeks, and Demo Day events on Thursday every 2 weeks as well. So we're rotating, like 1 week we have Ask Me Anything, the next week is Demo Day week, and then Ask Me Anything again, and then Demo Day week as well. So thank you for coming to this event, and as I mentioned, the very next event, which happens in Saturday, December 31st on Twitter Space, and Sunday on Instagram Live, January 1st, is on the topic of 2022 in crypto. So I'm going to talk about the very significant event which happened in crypto in 2022. With this said, thank you for coming to this event. If you celebrate the holidays, happy holidays, and have a nice day, have a nice evening, and bye.